Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Today's video I am doing Valentine's Day makeup tutorial where I am creating this pink monochromatic makeup tutorial for beginners, and you can do this makeup in 10-15 minutes. It is that simple and easy. I'm just using 2-3 eyeshadows and it's totally matte, so you can refer to as a matte pink eyeshadow makeup tutorial as well. I did it guys, I'm loving it so much. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look for this Valentine, so let's start the video guys. So we'll start with prepping the skin. Prepping skin is so important, and we are going for a healthy looking skin that is like radiating glow all the time, and we are going for rosy and flushed cheeks. So for that you make sure that your skincare is taken care of, your skin is glowing. So for right now I'm using this Clinique Moisture Surge. I love this moisturizer. It's over, so little bit I will apply it on my face because I know this will work for me. For special occasions where you are going for a date or something like that and you don't want to take risks, so you go with the products that you know that will work and they will not fail you no matter what, because you are on a date and you don't want your skin to start acting up. That will be so weird. Still you are not sure what moisturizer you should go for, then you can see the glow on my face. So without even thinking, you can definitely purchase Clinique Moisture Surge. It's not a sponsored video, not an ad or anything, just love this product so much, so giving it a shout out. So now I'm using Lakme ka primer is so important because you want your base to look flawless, because हम बहुत ज़्यादा products नहीं लगाएंगे. So I'm taking this Lakme ka primer. This is really good. It gives a very fine base for your makeup to stick on. We are going for a second skin foundation base. So for that I am using this Faces Canada's foundation. Oh my god, what a gem of a product, and this is super lightweight. तो आपको एकदम बिल्कुल भी ना ऐसा नहीं लगेगा कि केकी सा हो गया है कुछ. So yeah, this is another amazing product. With Beauty Blender I will start patting the product, pushing it inside my skin. It will take just hardly 1 or 2 minutes, but my foundation will be flawless. I will always suggest to use a beauty blender or a sponge rather than your brushes, because brushes के साथ ना वो strokes lines दिखते हैं, but with the sponge it is so awesome. And especially if you are a beginner, then जो भी sponge है ना, it soaks the excess which is there and giving you what your skin needs. I will use the concealer. Concealer I feel is very important because जो आपके dark circles हैं या जो भी pigmentation है ना, वो hide हो जाता है dark concealer से. It's a personal choice again, but for me I love applying concealer. Using the Wet Beauty Blender I will push the product inside my skin, giving a very fine and flawless finish. Will go a bit shade lighter because मुझे ये area थोड़ा सा highlight करना है, because एक बहुत monotonous सा एक ही tone दिखता है. I want to highlight this area. You guys can see मैंने बहुत ही थोड़ा सा product लिया है, and this I will keep it till here only. I will not drag it आगे. तो आज ना थोड़ा सा कॉन्टोर करेंगे. आई हैव दिस शुगर्स का फाउंडेशन स्टिक, एंड ये मेरे टोन्स है ना थोड़ा सा डार्क है एंड लिटिल बिट ऑन येलोइश टोन. सो आई एम पिकिंग इट ऑन माई फिंगर एंड एडिंग द प्रोडक्ट, because I feel rather than directly applying the stick on the face, it's best if used with finger or आप स्पॉन्ज वगैरह से किसी से यूज़ करके ब्लेंड करो, बिकॉज दैट वे आई फील इट गिव्स अ गुड. स्पॉन्ज ओनली मैं इसको अच्छे से आई विल ब्लेंड इनटू माय फेस एंड स्किन, बट ज़्यादा भी नहीं कि इट थ्रोज अ शैडो, बट नॉट ओवर डू. टाइम टू सेट द फेस, एंड फेस सेटिंग के लिए आई एम यूजिंग दिस फेसेस कैनेडा का पाउडर. दिस इज so good guys, and will set it It is so finely milled. Bronzer, I'm using this Rimmel का bronzer. This is so good. Like I love it. तो जो एक shadow है ना वो create हो जाएगा अपने face पे and it will not be like one toned. Like move on to the eyes. So eyes के लिए I will do the eyebrows first and after that I will move on to my face. Blush वगैरह apply करने के लिए because I am going for a pink monochromatic look, like that is very much will be very much similar. So I want to have a same base sort of and it will be so easy. It could be like you can do this whole makeup in just 10 minutes. किसके पास इतना टाइम है कि इतना मेकअप पे टाइम स्पेंड करो? Although I can spend hours on makeup, but still like we are always on short on time. So yeah, so I will quickly do my brows and as I'm saying I don't want to overdo anything. So eyebrows भी मैं बहुत ही minimum रखूँगी. Just I will fill in the like areas where I feel my eyebrows are sparse like this. And like eyes today I am using Huda Beauty because इसका ना color scheme बहुत अच्छा है and it goes with the like theme that I am going for. Like all the pinks are over here. So I will take this skin color and dust it all over my lid कि थोड़ा सा एक बेस मिल जाए. Like my lid, my eye looks of one color. I'll take this little bit of dark brown color. थोड़ा सा ही मैं place करूँगी because I don't want like brown to be too much, but yes still at the same time I want it to be there कि थोड़ा सा peak करे. Although I'm going for a very pinkish kind of look. Taking this छोटा सा उससे छोटा blending brush and then I'm going for this pink, bright pink color. This is Man Eater. I really love this shade. This is so gorgeous and I'm taking it at the tip of the brush like just like that and I'm tapping off the excess. and मुझे ना ये सिर्फ अपनी crease के अंदर place करना है, so I have to be very careful. I don't want it to go on like यहाँ पे जो ब्राउन है ना guys can see ये मेरे सिर्फ यहाँ पे ही है. अगर मैं crease ऐसे अपनी eyelid open करूँ तो like the color is not on my lid, it is just in my crease and it's peeking through because I don't want to apply this shade on my lid. For this like lid I have another plan, so I'm going for either this or this. I'm not able to like think शायद इस पे चलते हैं. Okay, well this will turn into more mauvish, then like I will go with this one only because this screams pink to me and this is somewhat matching my top as well. So I will take this on a flat shader brush and then will place it on my lid. A flat shader brush, as you can see, it is very flat, very chapta, so you have to be very careful with the brushes you are picking. So I will take this color on my brush like this and then will start applying it on my lid. It's very light pink. That what I was going for. Place the color, it's like what I'm going for, and then I will take this. I will take this and this. I will mix these two together. Will tap off the excess and इसको ना मैं अपने crease पे again like I will add and blend little bit के थोड़ी सी like जो harsh lines है वो हट जाएं and this look somewhat married with each other. थोड़ा symmetry आ जाए because again this is very light on my eyelid. Again take the same Man Eater shade and I will place on my lower lid. ये मेरी आईज पे ना मुझे यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा हार्श लाइंस लग रहा है. सो व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल टेक द ब्रश विच आई टोक like it's like plain, it's clean, nothing is there on this brush, and then with the very light hand I will like swirl the brush over the eyeshadow जिससे मुझे लग रहा है जो भी थोड़ी सी भी harsh lines है ना वो सब हट जाएंगी. Guys, I have popped on some lashes and मैंने ना बस ये थोड़ा सा एक eyeliner and हल्का सा काजल lower lash line पर लगाया है and this is it. I'm not doing much. मैं इसके ऊपर like कुछ shimmer भी नहीं ऐड करना चाहती because I want to keep it very matte eyeshadow look because matte eyeshadow मैंने शायद कभी किया ही नहीं है pink वाला. So I was very much excited to go for this look and ये ना like eyelashes लगाने के बाद it is like getting little bit amped up. So I'm loving that as well. Pink monochromatic look look, I'm going for this pink blush. So this is somewhat matching to my eyes, so this is what I'm going for because like मुझे symmetry type रखना है. So not feeling कि मुझे उतना पिगमेंट मिल रहा है जितना मुझे चाहिए. सो वॉट आई विल डू, आई विल यूज दिस आई शेडो एज माई ब्लश ओनली. सो मैं थोड़ा सा अपने लाइक ब्रश के ऊपर आई हैव टेकन इट, आई विल टैप ऑफ द एक्सेस. थोड़ा सा लगाऊंगी पहले दोनों साइड बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू ओवर डू एनीथिंग, बट दिस विल लाइक go together with each other. I will take little bit more tap of the excess. Okay, this is what I am going for. थोड़ा सा dramatic type करना चाहती हूँ मैं because yes, like it's Valentine's Day and yeah, we want to go all out. And this is a proper night time like makeup look that you can do. This will look so beautiful. अगर आप eyelashes हटा दोगे तो you can wear this makeup look in day as well. I will like tap off. मुझे लग रहा है nose पे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया है. So what I will do for that, I will take my sponge and ये sponge के ऊपर already थोड़ा सा product है तो I will dab it on my nose. और जो भी extra product है ना वो like dilute down हो जाएगा. So yes, I'm loving how the pink is like. Can you see this guys? Oh my god, I'm loving this. I hope you guys are able to see this and like, oh my god, so good. To highlight, so I'm using this Master Chrome highlight क्योंकि obviously मुझे कोई और highlight समझ ही नहीं आता है. So I am like adding the highlighter on my face. मुझे थोड़ा सा ड्रामेटिक टाइप लुक क्रिएट करना था बिकॉज मैंने बहुत टाइम से कुछ अच्छा ड्रामेटिक लुक क्रिएट नहीं करा है. सो दिस इज मी डूइंग अ वेरी ड्रामेटिक लुक. यू सी द लाइक ओ माई गॉड, दिस इज व्हाट यू कॉल अ हाईलाइटर. This Clinique का lipstick, this is also somewhat in mauvish kind of pinkish tone, so it goes with our full theme के जो हम pink monochromatic look create कर रहे हैं. So I will apply the lipstick. My eyes were like matte, so I have added the lipstick that has little bit of gloss and shimmer to it, and it's very light. It's not that bright and dark, so it is going with the full look, and I am loving how my makeup turned out over here. Like, so yes guys, this is it. I really hope you like this pink monochromatic look, matte pink eyeshadow tutorial. So and I hope you are able to do it under 10-15 minutes. इससे ज़्यादा आपको इस पूरे मेकअप में टाइम नहीं लगेगा. So this is it guys. This is it. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram and press the bell icon so that every time I post a video you guys get a notification. And I really hope you like this pink monochromatic matte pink eyeshadow makeup tutorial. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.